Hello everyone! Have you ever wondered why don't we use physical exercise more often to quiet down our busy brains? Why don't we make movement part of a spiritual practice that helps us to connect the brain and heart to focus on what matters most to us on a regular basis? Physical activity is one of the greatest ways to help the brain settle into stillness and reconnect with the heart to align with what matters most. By cross-training our brain, heart and soul in this manner, we also get more work done in less time, optimizing our return on both time and energy, and increasing the chances we will create healthy habits that last. Working out also releases the stress hormones that have been building up in your body throughout the week, releases physical tension and boosts positive endorphins that make you feel good. In this video, we will share with you 15 reasons how working out regularly helps you or contributes to your mental and spiritual growth. First point, emotional control. The powerful brain health benefits that exercise produces for us is responsible for a greater ability to control your emotions. Second point, reduce stress. Because our bodies feel better when we work out, our minds do too, and we are less stressed. Third point, improve memory. The mind is an amazing thing. It's said that the reduction of insulin resistance, production of BDNF, and other psychological changes during exercise are the key factors in improving our memory. Fourth point, promotes mindfulness. Mindfulness is when we are paying attention to the present moment, and when we are working out, we are present. Fifth point, mentally prepares you for meditation. Better circulation, pumped up heart rate, brain boosting power, and improved concentration are all ways exercise prepares your mind for meditation. Sixth point, clears chakras. The best exercise to clear your chakras is yoga. There is a whole list of poses for each chakra. You can practice them to clear and balance your chakras. Seventh point, elevates our positive vibrations. At higher vibrations, we feel better physically, emotionally, and mentally. That's what exercises does for us. Eighth point, heightens our intuition. We become more in touch with ourselves and our intuition when our blood is flowing and our minds are clearing. Ninth point, improves well-being. The endorphins released during exercise lifts your mood and energy levels, alleviating anxiety and depression, giving you a strong sense of well-being. 10th point, develop coping skills. Exercise can help us cope by getting out any excess energy, stress and tension. Aid in calming our minds, allowing us to think clearly for any other coping mechanisms that may complement our progress. 11th point, the best time to do something creative is directly after workout, when your brain juices are flowing, which increases the creativity within you. 12th point, sustain sobriety. All these benefits of exercise, that is relieving stress, positive attitude, confidence, antidepressant and pain relief, help prevent relapse and promote happiness, which is going to help stay sober. 13th point, self-confidence. If we look better, we feel better. When we take control of our lives and engage in regular physical activity, heightening our body, mind and soul, we feel so much better about ourselves, inside and around others. 14th point, concentration. After exercise, the brain is better able to concentrate and focus for longer periods of time. 15th point, improves cognition. Working out has proven to improve blood flow to the brain, thus improving cognitive abilities in children and adults. It's also long-lasting. So now that you know all these benefits, we are hoping that you get up and get going. Hope you guys like the video. Like and share the video with your friends and family and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching guys.